A straight 1 mile stretch on highway 40 feet wide is closed. Robert rides his bike on a path composed of semicircles as shown. If he rides at 5 miles per hour, how many hours will it take to cover 1 mile stretch? We have a distance problem. Distance is equal to rate times time. And Robert wants to ride 1 mile stretch on a highway. And the actual distance is more than 1 mile since he is riding composed of semicircles. And here we have to find actually how long he needs to ride, the actual distance we need to find. And also given 40 feet wide highway, and we understand from that the diameter of the semicircles must be 40 feet. To ride 1 mile stretch, 1 mile is 5,280 feet. You have to find how many 40 feet are there in 1 mile, meaning that means semicircles needed. So 5,280 feet, we have to divide by 40. And this gives us how many semicircles needed. And for each semicircle, he needs to write 1/2 pi times diameter is the circumference of the circle, pi times 40. And this will gives us the distance he needs to write. Distance equal to rate times time. Rate is 5 miles per hour times by time. Here we have to be careful about the units. The rate is in miles and distance now in feet. We have 40 feet here. So we have to convert the rate to feet per hour. To do that, we have to multiply 5,280 feet is 1 mile. Then we can solve for t. Now both sides of the equation has 5,240. We can simplify that. Also on the left-hand side, we can simplify 40 over 40. Only thing left is pi over 2 on the left-hand side. Right-hand side, we have 5 times t. And we divide both sides by 5, or multiply with 1/5, times by 1/5, times by 1/5. The times needed for this ride is pi over 10 hours. Answer is option B.